In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to send announcements to students via e-learning. Every course at the top of the course has this activity called announcements. Click on it, and to send an announcement, click on Add a discussion topic, and then give it a subject. Then type the content that you want to send. Obviously, this will typically be blank, and then click on Post to the forum. The system will send an alert to all the students within 30 minutes. Sometimes it could be within a minute, depending on when that process runs behind the scenes. And the system will send an email, and also students can access the announcements by clicking on the announcements module on their end and then clicking on the item that you sent. You can also send video announcements by clicking on announcements module, adding a discussion topic, and then instead of typing the text here, you can use the video component by clicking on record video, then allow, and then press start recording. Once you're done with your announcement, press stop recording, and then click on attach recording. At this point, you can press post to forum, or you can add additional details right below your video, and then press post to the forum.